Top foods that rebuild collagen and strengthen your joints naturally. Feeling joint pain or stiffness? Your body might be low on collagen, the protein that keeps your joints strong and flexible. Here are the top foods that help rebuild collagen and support joint strength naturally. Bone broth, rich in collagen and amino acids that repair joint tissues. Almond, full of omega-3s that reduce inflammation and joint stiffness. Citrus fruits, vitamin C helps your body produce collagen faster. Eggs, packed with proline and glycine, essential for collagen building. Leafy greens, loaded with antioxidants that protect joint cartilage. Eat these foods daily and feel your flexibility return, naturally and powerfully. If you want stronger joints and glowing skin, drop a in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more natural wellness tips.